Look into my life, only see so many questions. Who am I? What am I here for? I just don't even know where I came from. Where am I to go? What am I to do? What is my goal? Where will I go? What is my dream? What's my purpose of living in this world? Dreams come and go, dreams are in the air. Sitting all alone, I feel so confused, like I feel to make my dreams come true. I don't even know if I have a dream to live. I have no answers, I feel I'm helpless. But all the same, people come to me and say,
live your dream today, never change your mind. When you are down, lift up yourself. Live up your dream today, for what you are today, you will be tomorrow.
Got to believe in myself where others are doubting, deciding my futures where others delaying, preparing myself where others are dead dreaming. All I need to do is live my dream. Cause many people come to me, they come to me and say,
live your dream today, never change your mind. When you are down, lift up yourself. Live up your dream today, for what you are today, you will be tomorrow.
Hello, Peter. How are you?
Quite fine. Thanks. And what about you all?
We are cool. But you are here alone. Hey, now it's recreation time. And you're supposed to be running around and make all the fun you want.
I know. But I just want some time to be alone.
You look a little upset, Peter. What's wrong?
I was just beside myself, asking silly questions about life, about the purpose of living.
Looks like you are clouded with doubts, worries, and anxieties. But Peter, sitting alone won't help you, buddy.
You know, Kevin, people speak of dreams, of the future, but I don't think I have one.
What do you mean? Look at you. You are still so young, and many more fruitful years waiting ahead of you. But you are given up so easily, and that too right at the start.
Hey guys, you better have a look at this. What's that? You know what? We have a new subject introduced besides our usual subjects.
What? A new subject? Aren't those subjects we already have enough for us to study?
Good morning, boys.
Good morning, Brother John. Good morning, Sister Angelina.
You all look so worried. What's the matter?
Come on. Cheer up, kids.
We have a situation out here.
And what is that?
Good morning, Father Tony.
Good morning, Father. Good morning, boys. Good morning, brother. Good morning, sister. How are you all?
We're doing great, Father, but we are a little disturbed.
Why is that, Charles?
You know, Father, I hardly finished studying the subject prescribed to me by the book. And now, new subject is introduced.
Yeah, too much food upset our stomach. Likewise, too many subjects spoil our mental factory.
That's right.
Father, we are concerned about a new subject added to our syllabus. What kind of subject is that? Oh, you don't need to worry about that. It's a subject called Salesiana.
Salesiana? I've never heard of it before.
Of course, no doubt, it is new for you, as it is elsewhere.
What topics are we going to discuss in the subject, Father?
Well, before I answer your question, let me ask you, what is the name of our school?
Don Bosco!
Very good. And who is Don Bosco? Does anyone know? Okay. In this subject, we are going to learn about Don Bosco, who is the father and founder
of all of us solutions.
Oh, finally! I always thought Don Bosco was the name of a brand because I see his name everywhere on cars, t-shirts, bags, posters.
Okay, come on, boys. Let me tell you.
Don Bosco was born in a hamlet of Becky. His father Francis Bosco, his mother Margaret Okiana, his older brother Joseph, his stepbrother Anthony. He was a friend to everyone, leading them to prayer and fun. He was full of conviction in caring for the young.
Don Bosco is a father, he's our friend and teacher. Don Bosco is the reason we are here. Don Bosco is a father, he's our friend and teacher. Don Bosco